So we got the Disneyland 70th anniversary ticket offer at Costco. They're $450 each, and they include the Lightning Lane Pass, 3 days at the parks. It's a park hopper, and it includes a $30 dining credit as well. So let's open these up and see what's inside. Okay, so here we go. We've got the dining credit. I really like the design on this. So it's the Rise of the Resistance ride. And then, okay, now it tells you have to go to startyourdisneylandexperience.com to book your theme park reservations. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that using our new tickets. So I'm going to go on the Disneyland website right here. So let's see if I go to Start Your Disneyland Experience. Okay, so I'm on startyourdisneylandexperience.com. It directs me to this page. So I'm going to book my theme park reservation. Okay, so now I need to link my new Disneyland tickets to my account. Okay, so I'm already signed in on my Disneyland account, so make sure you make an account if you don't already have one, because you're going to need that when you're getting into the park. So let me enter in my ID. So at the back of this ticket, there is a code on the bottom left. So I'm going to enter that here. So I'm going to add my second ticket on here as well. Okay, this one has a Cars design. Okay, I'm going to hit continue. Awesome, so these tickets are now linked to my account. Let me add our names. Okay, I'm going to hit confirm. Nice. Okay, so let's see here. You have 2 park hopper tickets that are eligible to make theme park reservations. So yes, I'm going to make my theme park reservations now for both of these. Okay, so we're planning to visit on, June 6th, and we want to do, so when you have a park hopper ticket, you can start hopping over to the next park at 11 a.m. So we're going to start the morning at Disneyland, and then we're going to go later in the day to California Adventure. So I'm going to select Disneyland Park as my starter. So I'm selected on the date that I plan to visit. So I'm going to go ahead and click next. Okay, confirming my selections. Okay. Okay, our reservation is confirmed. Now let's see what else we need to do. Let's go to the Disneyland website, and now we want to do, let's do dining reservations for the day that we're going. So I'm going to go under things to do and make reservations for dining. Okay, there's 2 of us on June 6th. And let's look at all day. And I want to add a filter. I want to just look at the parks because they also show you Downtown Disney and the hotels. But I just want to look at Disneyland's California Adventure and Disneyland Park. Okay, so let's see what we have available. There's Cafe Orleans, Carnation Cafe, Carthay Circle, Oga's Cantina and Galaxy's Edge. Okay, so there's a good amount of options. Something that's not available is Blue Bayou because that one goes super fast. You have to be right on it to get that one. But I actually did. So a cool thing with the dining reservations is you can make it in advance before you even add your Disneyland tickets to your account. So we had decided we were going to get these Disneyland tickets when we heard about them like last week. And so before we even went to Costco, I looked online. I found a Disneyland reservation that I wanted for the dining. And so we already have those available. So I'm going to look at my dining reservations to show you which one we got. Okay. So here is we're going to try out the Lamplight Lounge in California Adventure. It's at $315, which is fine because we have our Hopper Pass now. And we have our theme park reservation here for Disneyland Park. So these Disneyland Costco tickets are really great because they do save you some money if you want to do a Hopper and you want to do Lightning Lane. So let's take a look at if you were to buy your tickets without doing the Costco offer. So they do have the Disneyland Anniversary ticket offer right now. So let's go ahead and price it out using this. So this one offers a 3-day because the Costco one's a 3-day as well. Let's look for a 1-person. We'll compare the Park Hopper price. And let's say June 6th. Oh, this one does require you to make all 3 reservations right now, or to choose all 3 tickets right now. And the cool thing with the Costco pass is you can choose any dates. So the tickets are valid for use between May 20th and December 19th. So you can choose your 3 days of admission whenever you want between those 2 dates. An awesome thing about the Costco ticket pass is that it doesn't need to be consecutive days either. So you could choose go once in May, once in November, once in December. So that's a nice perk of this Costco offer. Okay, so looking at how much it costs for the Disneyland Anniversary 3-day Park Hopper ticket. So again, you got to choose the 3 days that you want to use it on. Let's say this. Okay, so the pricing for this 3-day Park Hopper ticket is $450, which is the same price as the Costco ticket. But with the Costco ticket, you do get the option to not have to make all your reservations in advance. You do get the Lightning Lane multi-pass and you get the $30 dining credit. So let's see, if we added Lightning Lane multi-pass, that's $96. So it ends up coming out to $546 if you do that Disneyland Anniversary Hopper ticket. So with the $30 dining credit, it's, value of $576 looking at it with this Disneyland Anniversary ticket. Now, what if we did just a normal ticket? What would that pricing be? So standard ticket, 3 days. We're gonna do a Park Hopper. And let's look at one ticket. I'll make my 3 selections during that short time frame. With Lightning Lane multi-pass, that comes out to $601 for a regular 3-day Park Hopper ticket. So in our next video, we will be going to Disneyland Park and using Lightning Lane multi-pass. We'll show you how to use that to take advantage of as many rides as you can while visiting the parks. So make sure to like and subscribe.